Housewives, and we're back at Disneyland and DCA to be on our character hunt. There's tons of characters around both parks, and we are on a mission to find and meet and take pictures with all of them. So let's go.
Yes, we're on a mission today to find all the characters at both Disneyland and DCA. There are a ton of new socially distanced character meet and greets, so Ashley and I are gonna hunt down all of them. There are no schedules, there are no meet times, so we're just gonna do our best to find every single one and let you know where they are. All right, first up on our character hunt at DCA today, we're gonna have Snow White. Snow White and Dopey. And something that's cool about this is that they're promoting the new Snow White Enchanted Wish ride at both DCA and Disneyland. So first up, Snow White. You at DCA.
Nice to see you too.
Yay!
Get a picture.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much. Woo! Snow White, everyone. That's first up on our character hunt, Snow White. And over here in the center square, you're gonna see characters changing out all day. There are no times, there is no schedule. You just kind of have to be here and see who's here.
Yeah, you just gotta pay attention. We're on character hunt at DCA at Disneyland. Let's meet all the characters. Let's go!
Second up on the character hunt, we have Dopey. Woo! Hey, Dopey. It's awesome seeing you at DCA. This is so fun. You here for the new Enchanted Wish? You're going on that later? Yes. Perfect, thank you. We have Dopey in the house. Character number 2 on this awesome character hunt.
Okay, we're back on our character hunt and we're at character 3 and 4. There's Goofy right there. Mickey just went out on the other side if you can see him. If you guys are coming to Disney California Adventure, right when you walk in at the fountain, they're gonna have Anna, Elsa, Snow White, Dopey, Goofy, Mickey, Daisy, everybody. So if you're a character person, literally just hover here because it is poppin' with the characters.
All right, character number 4, Goofy. And this isn't just normal Goofy, this is Carthay Circle Dapper Goofy. How awesome is that? Only at DCA. Oh, you look dapper in front of Carthay? You look awesome. Really nice, Carthay Circle Goof. Thank you, Goof. Character number 4 over here at DCA. We got Max. What up, Max? Where's Goof? Woo! Character number 5, all the characters are still out.
Yeah, and I've said this last time, I want them to keep the character meet and greets like this because it makes the park feel more alive. We're really hoping to catch, what is her name? Elastigirl and Frozone over by the Incredicoaster, but it just makes it feel more interactive, and it's just different when you wait in a line in the heat for a character as opposed to like seeing them interact. It's like characters in real life. IRL,
we're seeing it's more of like, you know, a meet and greet before today's times. You want that selfie, you want that boomerang, go over there and do that.
Yeah, and it's just like cooler content. I don't know if you guys think in a content form, but obviously we do. We have a YouTube channel, but also for like little kids waving at Max over the lake. It's just, I don't know, it's just cool. And they're like filtering out and like exchanging the characters so often that it doesn't get like old.
Right over here at Pixar Pier inside the bandstand, we have another character meet and greet.
Yeah, and they normally would have like a big band and the Monsters Inc. crew over here. You can meet Buzz and Woody over here, obviously pre-COVID, but I'm sure it's gonna be more than just Mr. Incredible that we're waiting for. They're gonna be rotating it out.
On the Mouse character hunt, yeah!
He's gonna walk the walk. Mr. Incredible, everyone. He's the strongest, the most handsome, the nicest. Yeah, can we have a flux? Can we flux? Yeah. Oh. Yes, I'm afraid now. Yes. Best character meet and greet here at DCA. Yes. Looking pretty awesome. We got Big Al over here. What's up, Big Al?
Good morning, folks.
Just hanging out, DCA. I wish the Country Bear was still here. Everyone misses it.
They're still playing Florida.
Yeah, we saw you in Florida.
It just hits better here at Disneyland. It did.
Yeah.
Just is a little bit better. All right, Big Al, you're our favorite. Take care. All right.
Thanks for visiting, folks.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so we just saw Nick from Zootopia over in the San Francisco area by the Little Mermaid, and we're on our way to Grizzly River Rapids, and we saw Big Al from, where is he from?
Country Bear Jamboree.
There we go, sorry, brain fart. And we just saw Big Al from Country Bear Jamboree. Again, I can't say this enough. Characters galore. You guys gotta get to Disneyland and meet every single character under the sun. And it's only been an hour, and we've seen like 10 characters. Like, you can't beat that. We're right by Soarin' Over the World, and we ran into Chip and Dale in their natural habitat. I mean, look at this. And they're in their like explorer outfits, and it's so cute. Just another interactive way. I can't get over these character socially distanced meet and greets. This is awesome. And it's like, it was such a surprise, like turning the corner and seeing them. It made my day.
You guys getting acorns? Yeah!
Okay, on our character hunt, I've literally lost track of what character we're on because there's so many, but we're over here by Mike and Sully to the rescue, and right behind me is America's, ours, Captain America.
Are those your favorite 4 Avengers?
You can't beat that. Like, you just can't.
Look at those abs.
You must work out.
Wakanda forever! Yes! Just the Prince of Wakanda. I don't know if you guys know who that is, but that's Black Panther. He uses vibranium. He's the most powerful person in the whole world. You can catch him at DCA. Right over here, the Hollywood backlot. He will be moving over to Avengers Campus, but we got another month. So come over here to Mike and Sully's, get yourself a michelada, and meet Black Panther.
Okay, you guys, we're back over here. First it was the Cap, and now it's Spider-Man. We gotta show you on our character hunt. I think the craziest thing is I know Spider-Man talks in the movies, but like hearing his voice right now is like really throwing me off. I don't know, it sounds like Tom Holland, but could you imagine if it was Tom Holland in there? He's like,
That's actually me, but
I know, I'm so repetitive, but I can't get over these character meet and greets. They're just so special. And just like seeing the random characters walk around. I think that Disney's getting so much praise for these. Like that's all I'm seeing on social is how excited everybody is about these the way that they're doing the meet and greet. So I think they're here to stay. Fingers crossed.
We got Mater over here.
Y'all stop by my junkyard. I'll tell you what, them little tractors is fun.
it's gonna be fun. You're done.
Welcome to my favorite place on Route 66, Radiator Springs.
They've recycled the characters again. We got Pluto and Donald. Everyone knows I love Donald. He's my favorite.
Yeah, because he's cranky just like Nick. Okay, so we got a 2-day park hopper ticket. We're at Disneyland. We're about to start our character hunt. On the other side at Disneyland, we're gonna see all the princesses, go over to Toontown, see everybody. So let's go have some fun.
What's up, Chippendale? How are you guys? You guys are awesome. Oh, you guys are the best. All right, I'll see you later. Have fun. Ash, is this your first time seeing the walls here for Matterhorn?
I'm a Matterhorn stan, and like this breaks my heart. All the rumors on the internet are that the Matterhorn is rotting from the inside. I want to be naive and refuse to believe that, but it's probably true. Matterhorn for life. I hope they're refurbishing it. But we are on pace to meet every character at both parks. We're on our way to Toontown, which we missed on opening day, and apparently every character and their mom is out there. So that's like Chippendale and their mom. So we're gonna go see the whole family out in Toontown and hopefully get on Roger Rabbit because we missed that last time. And if you know Nick, he's a Roger Rabbit fan.
Oh my Lord. Look what I see.
Oh my god.
Tigger with the Tigger shirt.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
We all love Tigger.
Yeah, let's go over there. We're gonna get it.
With Tigger, he is awesome, but it's not just Tigger, it's Eeyore. You guys, it's Eeyore. Hi Eeyore.
Hi, guys.
It's
Hey,
Pooh.
Tigger. Yes. Yay.
The gang's all here.
We got the whole gang here. Woo!
my
The whole
God.
gang for Words is here.
John, thanks for that. Woo!
And Pooh. I still love you, ER. You're the best. And Pooh. The whole gang's here.
Hi Pooh, thanks for being here.
Hi, guys.
I know it must be hot.
I love you. Pooh.
I mean, you can't beat this, you guys.
Yay.
I know that a lot of people, I hate to address it, but like are like Disney adults, whatever. We're here with our friend Ren, who is a dad, and Winnie the Pooh was his thing growing up, and he's literally so excited about meeting the Pooh gang, and like, you can't beat that. Like, that is like Disney magic. It's Disney magic, right?
Truly magic.
Truly, yeah, it's a big deal. I
Very
remember
big deal.
like when I met the Little Mermaid when I was a kid, I lost it. Like it's so cool.
A very special moment.
It's a big deal.
I agree with that. We're going next into Toontown, which is home of majority of the characters here at Disneyland.
You guys, and Toontown has been a ghost town because they're building Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, which they have at Hollywood Studios of Walt Disney World. But right now it's this big, huge building. They're kind of playing with you like,
Oh my god, no tickets to the building even though it's there.
it's such an innovative ride. You see it on our YouTube. It's so good. We're gonna check out Toontown now that it's empty. Get on Roger Rabbit and meet some characters for our character hunt 2021. You heard it here.
Marie!
Get it,
Yay!
girl. Get it, get it. Get it, girl. Oh, yes, queen. Yes.
Woo! We love Marie.
Woo! Oh my gosh.
She's good.
Yes, so good. Thank you, Kayla.
Thank you, Marie. You're the best.
Bye. We'll see you next time.
Have a good one.
That was Marie, guys.
Thanks, Kayla.
Holy.
Are
you serious?
And the cast members are magical in Toontown. Thanks for being so nice.
Yeah, Kayla, that was awesome.
Yeah, Kayla. Yes. Thanks for being magical, Kayla.
Holy smokes. I'm right across the street from Marie. Guys, I don't know if you know this, but we got Goof over here.
Oh, it's a goof.
We got Goof Troop over here. Goofy's at his house. Who would have thought? He's just hanging out in the front yard. What? Is he having a garage sale? Like, what's he doing up there? And we got Donald from his boat. He's got a boathouse. My man is living a life of luxury.
Okay. Can we get a picture now?
Just Donald, no biggie. Hanging out on his boat, you know. Gotta love Donald.
You gotta love Donald. This is so magical. They're bringing out all the stops, and I got to kick it with Marie, and we got to dance. Ah! Let's show you the huge show building of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway that's gonna come to Mickey's Toontown. Let's go. What big building? There's no big building here. How beautiful is this? And regardless if there's a big building and it's an eyesore, who cares? The ride is awesome. You know what made Nick cry? Because he's a crybaby and we all love him. He's an emo Sally. This ride is awesome. You're gonna love it. And I really think that it's gonna be the caveat to like, caveat, whatever, to open up Toontown. Oh wait, get this. Marie!
Yeah.
Yes, queen! Yes, queen!
Yes.
I love it. Sorry,
Marie got those hips though.
Marie got those hips that don't lie. She channeled Shakira, and I forget that like it's COVID and I like can't get close to people, but that was awesome.
Good. How about you?
Good. Goof! We got the goof! Okay, goof! Yes! Woo!
I see in you the way of the Jedi. You would do well to explore the power of the dark side. I sense the force within you.
I'm on TikTok live right now, you guys.
I see your ambition. The First Order will show you your true potential.
Okay guys, we literally hit every character in both parks. This is the last of it. Before we turn off the camera and have some fun, Mickey, Pluto, Chip and Dale, Minnie, let's go!
And Mickey! Oh, who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? And it's Kayla again! Yay! Bye Kayla, you're the best!
That's gonna do it for the Mouse Vibes here at the Character Hunt 2021 at Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. Let's get in the car, let's go. If you're new here, please thumbs up this video if you like it, and if not, thanks for stopping by.